Greetings to you all. Welcome to Creative Writers. Pen Crowns Vision. Date 17th April 2021. And the topic is Me Without You. May I welcome Mrs. J. Saranya to recite all the poetries. Please, ma'am, welcome.
Me Without You. This poem by Mrs. Sumati. You are the key that unlocks my heart. Your love is the guarantee for my existence, my sweetheart. Me without you is a mountain without view, a rainbow with no colors, an ocean with no waves, a match without fire, an electric circuit without wire, a garden with no breeze, a flower without the visit of bees, a battery without charge, a bulb without electrical discharge, a bird with no wings, a guitar with no strings, a heart missing its beat. This poem by Apurav Devsan. Like fresh air, you came to my life. You changed You changed everything. From you, I learned what love is. All the time, you stood by me. In your confident voice, you always said, "It can be impossible for the world, but I know if anybody can do it, it's only you." In your company, I found I could win the battle which I always thought to be unconquerable. Now I feel life without you would be like a playground without children, a book without message, a temple without God. Simply, I can say, life without you is out of the thought. This poem by Mrs. Anuradha. Earth without rotation and revolution, moon without cool and chillness, flower without its color and order, may survive as an inanimate soul. Every cell and nerve reflects you. My rising sun is always you. My mornings are blessings when you greet me. My face has a special blush with your smile. But without you, the world is without me. You and me are my real world. If that world is without you, then the world never exists. This poem by Mrs. S. Shyamla. You maketh me a dignified matron and guide me to be a good patron. Neither allow me engage in violence, nor let me to have vengeance. Protect me from evil executions and direct me towards noble actions. Inborn trait you are, can't separate you, a well-wisher of my family in my view. Oh, my conscience, you let me live with pride. Without you, the meaningless life will let me die. Devoid of you, wickedness will invite me. More sinful and immoral I will be. Oh, my conscience, you are not for sale. You are the only thing I inhale and exhale. Without you, I am nothing but a live corpse. Never part with me to let my life collapse. This poem by Princelin Joan. When I look back my lost year, my dwelling was in a shell with loads of fear. I would not have confronted it, felt hesitant even a few verses to write. A can-do attitude was provided me, a guiding star lent a new path. Believe me, armed with an enthusiastic attitude, decided as a participant to contribute. Explored my potential, though I was scared. All the gates of impossibilities were unlocked. The sparkling star of mine rendered me courage. Without her, my desire was merely mirage. She is known as the Lady of Wisdom, none other than our beloved Brinda ma'am. Without her, I am not a poetess of writing. Without her, I am not Joan of penning. Without her, I might have been in my hibernation. With her tireless effort, I overcome my confrontation. This poem by Mrs. Benita Nicholas. Me without you. Walk along as you are my best companion. You walk along with solitary silence as a hidden mate. I never see you, never could I hold you. You disappeared when sun was at its zenith. You grow and shorten when lightened in darkness. You saw my happiness and my innate loneliness. You saw my stardom and my ravening wishes. We are inseparable till death. Come along to sing my elegy. This poem by Mrs. P. Allies. Me without you in vain, together only enriched gain. Without you, my life in pain. Let us live to create charm chain. God bless to be with you, curse and troubles with you. I feel lifeless without you, can't think of me without you. Non-stop tears and depression peeps. If life permits me, away from you, everything lost. See me weeps, may God bless me ever with you. This poem by Mrs. C. Bharati Priya. Those were the horrible days of her life. No one was with her to support in her strife. She stood alone inside her own home. She pacified herself, saying, "Be a Roman in Rome." She was concerned by her relatives. She was cornered by her relatives. Books and music became her sedatives. She isolated herself from worldly pleasures. She should do so, the society pressures. Isn't she a normal human being? No one ever cared for her well being. Finally, she decided to change the pattern. She took her first step to ignite the lantern. She stepped out of the custom, burning her fears. She herself put an end to all her tears. Yes, me without you lived like a nun, but now it's my race. I bother about none. This poem by Mrs. S. Lakshmi. Alas, I lose my son of laughter. For me, it is a great thunder. I lose the best comedy actor, yet people lose the great social worker. You are a multi-talented personality. Your great task win lot of publicity. You planted lakhs and lakhs of plants, so you will remain forever in people's hearts. You spread rational thinking through Tamil cinema, thus you are called as Chinna Kalaivanar. You formed the project called as Green Kalam, thus you fulfill the dreams of Abdul Kalam. You acted for social welfare of humans, and you are the best example for all cine actors. Though your body goes out from the world, your soul resides in earth in the form of plants. This poem by Mr. Lokesh. The soft touch of breeze, mysterious mountains, trailing clouds on a summer day, magic of sunrise and sunset, the compassionate drizzle, aroma of fresh bread, smile of a child, colossal of a castle, chocolate, ice cream and me, nothing seems good, not without you. This poem by Mrs. Jhansi Rani. My heart count friends like fingers on my hand. If friendship go both hand and heart, will feel the blow. Without you, some words are left unsaid. Some feelings are left unexpressed. Sometimes my eyes get jealous of my heart, as you are close to my heart, but away from my eyes. When you are far away like sky, I feel like a lonely sea. This poem by Mrs. B. Deepa. You captured me in your bosom, I too surrendered in you. Me without you is like a bird without blossom. I in you, as you in me, is like a scent of jasmine. only can be felt with thee. Can't meditate me without you. It's like the earth without the sun, like plucking the eyes of a crazy fan. Enough of thinking me without you or you without me. This poem by Mrs. J. Elil. If I were a planet, you're the sun, around whom surrounds my life. If you were the deep blue ocean, I am the ship that sails on it. If I were the tree, you're the earth, whose depths I live solely to explore. If you were against me, I have nowhere to go. This poem by Mrs. G. Sarala. Hi, it's me. Following you always, you never appreciate me, nor hesitate me. Still, I don't regret, as I love you sincerely. Early morning, longing for you, and grow tired in the noon, emitting less response. During your childhood, you was afraid of me. Later, ignored me as you grow. But still at night, you are scared. If I am in color, you might not be feared. As it is God's curse, but He is graceful for gifting you to me, warmly narrated, yes, my shadow. This poem by Mrs. P. R. Kalyani. After so many experiences, I realized I am nothing without you. You with me like a shadow attached. No one can separate me and you. We are like sugar and sweet, well mixed. I feel tasteless life without you. Like clouds and sky, we are attached. I cannot move without you. We are like flower and its fragrance, well binded. I am like a paper flower without you. Our friendship is like sea and the shore bonded, always my waves touching you. The intimacy between me and you are not to be opened, but I am nothing without you. Dear problem, you are my best friend. I am growing with you. Every problem gives some experience. Learn to live with them. As a maths teacher, I like problems. Actually, they nurture me. This poem by Mrs. Nirmala Nagarajan. What I am today is because of you, my dad. All my success story has your name imprinted. The courage you fed me keeps me ever bold. The way you brought me keeps me disciplined. Never do I remember a decision without your guidance. You made all the choice whichever turned a bliss. My real happiness lies in listening to your suggestions. The day is complete only when I share all the events. Future is carrying me as you live with great strife. Lots of happy occasions are yet to happen in my life. How I am going to face without your presence. Praying God to give me mental strength and endurance. Why should time move so fast? Wish to rewind the days that went steadfast. Can't imagine a life without you in this world. The very thought of it makes me too agitated. This poem by Mrs. A. Asha Pandian. You wake me up at dawn. Without you, my day never moves on. You entertain me when I am bored. Merriness it is again restored. You accompany me when alone. You console me when I am down. You clarify my doubts, if any. You are there for me in situations many. You remind me of all my duties. You remind my every single memories. With you, I play games when in delight. I hold you tight even at night. You make me sometimes lazy, but oh mobile phone, on you I go crazy.
Thank you, dear Saranya ma'am. You have recited all the poems in a very nice manner. Thank you so much. And hearty thanks to all the poets of creative writers. Thank you. Keep winning.